Okay, watch this. So Cookie's no dummy. He knows that if Newman can't get to him if he's there, because Newman wants to kiss Cookie all the time. Just leave Cookie, okay? He wants to be by himself. Newman always wants to kiss Cookie, and that's not very nice. He doesn't like it, okay? What are you doing? You're trying to get up there. But you can't make it. Good spot, Cookie. Cookie's so smart, Cook. Yeah. He hides his bottom. Cookie says, we're just friends, Newman. I don't like kissing you. You're just trying to scare Roo. You're terrible. Here, Roo. Come here. That was rude. Come here. Wasn't that rude of Newman? Wasn't that rude? Go, Roo. Go, Roo. Go, go, go. Come here. No? Are you showing off? Wow, that's really good. Hi, Hope. What are you doing? Now what? Am I gonna ignore her? Now you want my attention. Here, I'm gonna look at Cookie. He's so cute. Hi, Cookie. What are you doing? You gave up kissing me. Maxwell wants us to play the game. Hey, it's time to do your nails. You're the worst one. Why are you the worst one? Come on, let's do your nails. She doesn't want me to do her nails. You're gonna have to do it like everybody else. I'm gonna have to use a towel. We just need to file them, okay? Just file them. See, this is how everyone else has to have it done, right? When they don't listen, they have to be tapped.